You searched how to buy shares of Novonesis B, so this quick walkthrough will show the steps. Novonesis B is listed on CBOE EU under the ticker NSISB. CO. And this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as the example platform to illustrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker NSISB.co to find Novonesis B. Make sure you select the listing that shows CBOE EU to locate the correct share. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Double-check the exchange is CBOE EU and the ticker reads NSISB.co to confirm it is the right listing. Click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirmation. After execution, your Novonesis B position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. If you want to open an account, find the eToro link in the description below.